Hi guys, I'm probably not going to attempt to fix this switch because it is battered. Everything. I can see that like the ribbon cable for the backlight's torn, the casing's obliterated, Joy-Con rails stuck on there. I can't even get it off. It's just crazy. Absolutely crazy. I'm going to try and revive the actual motherboard though. It's a version 1. Don't even know if it charges. I can't even test it. The battery could be full. Actually, I can test it with the ammeter. Let's have a look. Okay, we're getting 11, 12. Is that still slow charging? 13, that is slow charging. I wonder if it will boot. I'm just gonna give it a while and see if that actually changes because it might just be physical damage rather than actual motherboard issue. So let's just see if that jumps up. All right, I'll be back in a minute once I think it's jumped up. Sorry you guys can see it all wavy. It's not like that in person. But you can see there, look, it's like 13 milliamps. Or sorry, 130 milliamps. It's dropping now. We're at 48 now, 0.48, so it's 480 milliamps. So it is still working. I think the motherboard's fine. So I'm just gonna leave that charging for a little bit more. The screen is gone. Like even the main cable at the back is ripped. I don't know what's hap Wait, what? Oh no. I think this motherboard's a no-go. Check this out. I think this motherboard's gone. What do you guys reckon? How did that even fast charge? That is gone. There's an actual hole in the motherboard. What? What's happened there? I so need to take this apart and have a look. That's nuts. What the hell? I don't think anything's salvageable apart from the main chips. So this one is going to be a write-off. There's no way of reviving this, but I could use a few things for parts, I guess. Yeah. What the hell? Oh my God. The game card reader is definitely not going to work. Yeah, yeah, that game card reader. It's been punched through. So the board still might power on, maybe. It's just the game card reader's not. But I can't use this board ever again anyway. That's crazy. Okay, so this is literally a straight up write-off. We've had a look to see what the main cause is. It's unrepairable. So this is just for parts now. At least I've got a spare battery to test with. This is switch number 3. The first one was a success. Second one, it's pointless. And the third one, we'll see, won't we? So the condition of this is really, really good. It's got a screen protector on it. Perfect. The condition overall looks like it's not been opened, which is really good. Tiny few little scratches there, but other than that, it's really, really good. Bit dirty, but really, really good. The rails are a little scratched, but yeah, this is the best condition one that I've got out of the 8. So I'm hoping I can revive this one. So let's check under the in the port first. And actually, let me check under the port, and then we'll see what it's charging. That's water damage. Right, as you can see, it looks like there's been liquid damage. There's that weird greeny, bluey type corrosion. And on the other side, Looks right. Not too bad. Just a little bit. Oh, wait, what's that thing at the back there? I think that's just a bit of dirt. Yeah, like crystal meth, maybe. No idea. Yeah, you can see right at the back there, look how water damaged that. What is all this? Stones or something? What? That's crystallized. Maybe that's stopping it from charging. Let me give it a little tap. Okay, I got some out. Surprised it hasn't damaged the port. Well, I've probably pushed it inside the switch now, but I can't really get a charger in there when it's all caked up in this, can I? All right, well, I've got most of it out. Let's go. 15 volts, 10 amps, no symbol on the screen. I keep saying 10 amps, it's point 0.10, so 100 milliamps. Yeah, okay, so we're saying that on that side, and what about the other side? The same deal. Okay, let's get it open and let's find out what the issue is. Oh, and it's liquid damaged. So let's have a quick look under the scope and see what the deal is at the minute. So the battery has corrosion on it. First, let's check the voltage of the battery. We have 2.5 volts, so it has charge in it, but it's dead. So let's disconnect that. That's crazy that it's even managed to that could also be the issue, just the water damage there, look. Yeah, could very well be. Okay, liquid damage there. That cap's had a bit of a fun day with some liquid. Whoa, this is not looking good at all. This is the BQ chip, the charging chip. Okay, we've got some rust on this inductor coil even. That shouldn't affect it. That might do, the BQ. Might be shorted around there. So, I'm not liking the look of the screen connector. Let's carry on getting into it and see if we could save this puppy. Could be game over for this screen connector. Yeah, look. No way. That whole trace has gone there. That's gone. No. Well, at least we've got a nice chassis. Yeah, it's all eaten away. I might buy some LCDs for these switches, you know. Like this one's in such good condition. All it needs is a nice LCD. Let's have a quick look at these connectors because I think most of them are damaged too much. So we have got, that's the touch screen. That looks okay. So the digitizer's still good. That's the LCD. That's gone. That is the power button. That's okay. Fan, it's okay. Just passable. You got the backlight. Oh, that's even got some damage. I think that's okay. That's just about okay, I think. This is the Joy-Con rail. Yeah, I think that's okay. Just, or is that a break there? We could fix that. Okay. Most of these cables have had it. This is the other Joy-Con rail. Yeah, I think that's okay. Might be salvageable. The battery definitely needs cleaning, the battery connector. But no, that looks okay that side. It's just the other side's a bit bluey green. All right, let's have a look on the other side. Ready? Wow. Okay. You guys tell me what you think. It's not bad on the other side, but it's very colourful. So I don't know what that greeny stuff is at the side there. Oh, that's normal. This isn't. It's not that bad. The other side's worse. Okay, it's not too bad. So what I want to do first is check for shorts round the main areas, see if these are actually shorting anything out. Like, is that eating through the trace there? Or is that just a test point? Oh, that poor little cap there, though. We'll check the shorts first, what I can get to. I don't think I can get to that cap. And let's get my multimeter. I've got it set to continuity. And you won't be able to hear the second beep, but I can. You won't be able to hear any beeps. Yeah, it all seems okay. Let's see if I plug it in, if we get any amp draw, if it goes to zero. Because it might just be the charge ports corroded. Yeah, see? Zero. This one is fully charged. I should clean it first before I do all this. Right. See what we get. Yeah, it's fine. It's just powered up. It's just booted up and it says it's only 240 milliamps because this battery's charged. So it is actually working. I currently don't have an LCD to fully test it. Oh, let's just clean it anyway. Clean it up, check all the connectors, replace the connectors that need doing, and other components that need swapping out potentially. That's all nice and clean now. So I guess I can't really do anything now unless I get another display.